Hi there, my name is Kari and I'm going to show you how you can set up SDL2 on Windows. So first of all, go to libsdl.org. Then after that, go into downloads and this will open up. After that, if you have Visual Studio that I will be using for the rest of my series, Visual Studio 19. So if you have that, then you will have to download this Visual C++ version, or otherwise if you have Dev C or CodeBlocks or any other IDE, you might have to use MinGW version. So let's stick to Visual Studio 1 and I'm going to download it. Once the download is complete, I'm going to copy this whole thing. First of all, I'm going to rename it, then I'm going to copy this thing to where my game project will be. I'm going to rename it to SDL2 only, just for convenient reason, because I will have to link it afterward. So these are all the files that we will be using. So just copy this and we will paste it. Uh, so I have already pasted SDL2. Now what we have to do, we will create a project in which we will use our SDL. For that, I'm going to use Microsoft Visual Studio 19, and I also recommend you to use this software because it is just that good. I'm going to create a new project, then I will select an empty project. First of all, we have to select the directory where we have placed our SDL folder. So I've changed it and I will name it game. So now Visual Studio has created an empty project for us. For now we have to create a file so we can test that we can include it or not. For that, here's a hotkey Control Shift plus A. This is to add new item. So I will add a C++ file. I will just call it name. Just call it main. Sorry. Also, my computer is 64-bit version, so I will be using 64-bit for the rest of the series. First of all, include, and I will try to write SDL. As you can see, this SDL is not showing up here because we haven't linked it yet. So for linking, I'm going to show how you can link it. Go to your game and go into properties, then go to C++ and into additional include directories. Go here, edit, add a new one, browse it. This is SDL2 which we have pasted here. So we will going to into this and we will just double click on include. So this will include the directory. Now what we have to do, now we have to link it, link the libraries now. So go into linker, go into general, and there is additional libraries and directories. Again go into SDL2 and this time into libraries, and we will select 64-bit version because my computer is 64-bit. You can change it accordingly, and I think 32-bit will also work fine for my computer, but you cannot use, if you have like 32-bit version, you cannot use 64. But if you have 64, you can use 32-bit. After that, go into input, and here are some lines um, which you have to write. Otherwise, linker will not recognize that what you have just added. So write SDL2 dot lib and SDL2 main.lib. Now After that, apply and OK. Now, now if I write in, now if I try to include SDL2, yes, you can see it already pop up, and I can use SDL2. So that was it for the setup video. In the next video I will show you how you can create a window, and we will take it from there. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.